Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin's price action is heating up as we approach a significant technical signal. Let's get right in. The 50 EMA is on track to cross the 200 EMA on the 1-hour chart, a setup often referred to as the golden cross. Historically, these crosses have been game changers. Back on November 6th, this same cross led to a 42% gain, taking Bitcoin from $69,000 to its November 22nd peak of $99,000. We've seen smaller crosses since, delivering gains of 3% to 4%, but the one on December 11th stood out, fueling a 9% pump and helping Bitcoin hit its all-time high of $108,000. After the bearish death cross on December 20th, Bitcoin hasn't managed another golden cross. We came close around December 26th, climbing from 92,000 to 99,000, but now we're approaching what looks like a legitimate golden cross. The chart looks incredibly promising. And just for fun, let's bring out a bar pattern comparison. By overlaying January 2021 to December 2021's double peak onto this January, we see a potential projection of $216,000. For those predicting this cycle's top will only hit $120,000 to $130,000, I respectfully disagree. My perspective, Bitcoin could soar much, much higher. If you're planning to time the top, keep an eye on the Pi cycle indicator around Q3 or Q4 2025. Now, onto the Bitcoin ETF inflows. While December 31st saw slow but positive numbers, with a total inflow of $5.3 million, we noticed iBit selling negative $23.5 million. It's clear the market is still undecided. Looking at the heat map, we see hot liquidity pockets forming both below and above current price action, centered around $94,000. On the downside, there's a big long liquidation cluster at $91,000. While on the upside, we have billions in short liquidations around $97,000. What could this mean? Historically, we've seen liquidity sweeps to trap traders before bigger moves. While a dip below $91,000 to clear long positions isn't off the table, the golden EMA cross suggests we might break the 15-day downtrend and start moving higher instead. I'm watching the charts closely, and you should too. If this golden cross plays out, we could be in for a strong uptrend. Don't miss out. Join the free Discord, hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell for updates. And see you in the next one.